iPad repairs. Am I crazy? At this point, I don't even know. What is good, fam? Hope you're doing well. It's your boy Anthony, sitting on a chair, not facing a desk. You know how it be. About 3 years ago, I got this iPad for $20. It had a broken screen, and at that point in time, I thought it was a really good deal because it was only $20. And in reality, that is a really good deal for a used iPad mini. I turned it on, tested it before I bought it, and it worked. After a few days, I started noticing that when I would open it up to read a book or whatever, that it started just freaking out. And I did some quick research and found out that's actually the digitizer that is broken. For those who don't know, the digitizer is what takes an analog thing, like a finger, and turns it into something digital. When I figured out what was wrong, I went to a few repair places and I even went online to see if I could ship it in, and it turned out it was going to cost me around $125 to fix this thing. After finding that out, I researched to see how much I could buy a brand new one for, or not really brand new because it was used at the time, but a used one that was in good condition. I could get it for about $120. So I didn't get it repaired, and it's been sitting on my desk or in my closet for 3 years now. So it's 2020, I'm stuck in quarantine, and I want to repair this iPad to actually use it. This screen repair took around an hour to complete. That's a good amount of time for any screen repair, but I was really trying to focus and ensure that I didn't mess anything up. However, that was not the case, and at the end of the video, you'll see exactly what I messed up on. But the thing that took the most amount of time was actually just heating up the adhesive to get this old screen off. This took the most amount of time because I was using a hairdryer instead of a heat gun, but it can do the exact same job because what you're trying to do is heat up the glue so it's easy to maneuver. After the adhesive was removed, I removed the broken screen and unplugged everything that I needed to reinstall the screen/digitizer. They're essentially the same thing on this iPad. Once you're done installing the screen, remove any cardboard attached to the adhesive and heat it back up to get it to stick and lightly press down. After you've done all that, you should be all set. I just got done repairing the screen, and I did something completely idiotic. I actually was pressing too hard at one point, and I ended up breaking this piece of glass on it. I'm a complete idiot sometimes. So I haven't turned this thing on yet. I don't know if it's going to work. I feel like I accidentally destroyed the LCD, and I've already cracked the screen. So if this thing doesn't work, to me, it's not worth putting another $25 in for this digitizer and screen. So let's turn this on and see what happens. Can you see? Yeah. Ah! I broke the LCD. You know, I was hoping this would be a good video. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big like down below and hit subscribe while you're there. It's completely free and you can always change it later. Thank you so much for watching. It's your boy Andy. I'm out. Okay, bye-bye.